Hi, my name is Brian De La Salas, an app specialist for the S&P Global Market Intelligence Salesforce plugin. Today I'll be showing you how you can enrich an account with data from the S&P Capital IQ database. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a blank account record where I only have the company name. And for this example, I'm going to actually use S&P Global. So the full name of the company is S&P Global Inc., but I'm opting to just leave it as S&P Global. And as you can see, I have no other details on the account below. Go ahead and save. And now that I'm on the account page, again, I have no other details on the account. What I can do is I can click the button here that says Enrich from S&P Capital IQ to add data. The first thing that it's going to try and do is match the company name of S&P Global to a company that actually exists within the Capital IQ database. Now, as I mentioned, the full name is actually S&P Global Inc. And so I see that here. The revenues looks like it matches up. So I'll go ahead and select that as the account that I want to link. The next thing that the plugin will ask us to do is to pick and choose which fields we want to enrich with S&P Capital IQ data for this account. Now, the fields that you can enrich range from the company name, obviously, to the address, contact information, employees, and the business description. You can just go ahead and click the top header of S&P Capital IQ, and that will select all the fields. Alternatively, if you had fields that you didn't want to overwrite, for example, let's say you had a separate phone number that wasn't just the company headquarters phone number, you may not want to overwrite that. In this case, again, I have no information, so I do want to add that. Now I'll just go ahead and click Enrich from S&P Capital IQ, and it'll bring all this data onto the accounts view. So as you can see, there are a number of standard fields here that were enriched with Capital IQ data, such as the phone number, employees, address, and business description. There are some custom fields, as you can see here, that are also enriched with Capital IQ data, including revenue, the industry, and the Capital IQ IDs. And then now we have a visual force window that was added to this account page that actually gives us more detail on this account. As you can see, we have a company profile that includes the business description for S&P Global Inc., including the parent company, which is itself, the IDs for that, the industry that it operates in. Key developments are coming in for the last year twice daily. We also have a number of financial metrics that are being pulled into this visual force window from CapIQ. This will be over the last 4 years and last 12 months. So typically you're getting about 5 years of data. There's also contact information for people data. So you can see who's on the board, who's in the C-suite. And then, of course, there's also relationships, so you can see who the subsidiaries of these companies are, investors, investments, and then who some of the competitors might be. That's all I wanted to demo today for the enriching portion. Thank you.